We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making corn tortillas. If you've never had a warm, freshly made corn tortilla, I highly encourage you to try one. Let's do it. We're starting with masa harina. You can see a few of the more readily available brands here. It is made with dried corn that has been cooked and soaked in an alkaline solution. This process makes the corn flour taste amazing and more easily digestible. We are slowly adding just enough warm water to hydrate the dough and make it so that it sticks together. Once the dough can be pressed together, transfer it to a work surface and knead it for a few minutes. Kneading the dough like this helps the masa to rehydrate even more. As you work the dough, if it seems too dry, add a little more water. If it's too wet, scatter a bit more flour over it. You can tell the dough is ready when it looks and feels like Play-Doh. See how it's moist but not sticky? This is what we are looking for. Divide the dough into 8 pieces and then cover them with a damp towel. It's important to protect the dough from drying out. The full recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. Now grab one piece of dough and roll it into a ball, then place onto a tortilla press. You can see that I'm placing it between 2 sheets of plastic. A plastic bag cut into 2 sheets or 2 sheets of parchment paper helps prevent the dough from sticking to the press. Now close the press, pushing down so that the dough flattens into a thin disc. Tips for pressing tortillas without a tortilla press are in the recipe on Inspired Taste. My pan is nice and hot. Don't be shy about adjusting your heat depending on how quickly or slowly your tortillas are cooking. Carefully place the tortilla down into the pan and cook for about 10 seconds. Flip and then cook the second side until it's dry and starting to brown in places. Flip again and cook until you see it puff in the middle and the tortilla is cooked through. Transfer cooked tortillas to a warmer or bowl with dish towel. Keeping them stacked and covered like this keeps them soft, pliable, and warm. If your tortilla is not puffing in the middle, try pressing it gently in the middle to encourage it to puff. If you notice that the tortilla looks cracked in places or is too dry, spray a little bit of water over the tortilla in the pan to help it out a bit. And that's it. Delicious corn tortillas made at home. Remember, the full recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. You will also find links to some of our favorite taco recipes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.